You order from Redline, you're getting almost 30% more protection just there.
Are you tired of holding back? Do you crave the peak performance your engine was built to deliver? Then you need Redline engine oil. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to our channel to support us. Your engine is the heart of your machine. It needs the right kind of care to perform at its best. Redline engine oil is formulated with cutting-edge technology to provide superior lubrication and protection. Redline uses premium synthetic base stocks that withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. This reduces friction, maximizes horsepower, and extends engine life.
In a race car or in a serious track car, you're maybe only going to go 2 or 3 weekends before you go to change the oil. The other big difference between the street oils and the race oils from Redline is the levels of ZDDP. Now that's the anti-wear additive that you would know as zinc and phosphorus that protect hard, hot metal inside the engine when it's revved up. Cams, bearings, things like that. In the street car oils, we've got about 1,200 parts per million. That compares to API certified oils that are at a much lower level than Redline at 800 parts per million. Think about that. What you get typically at the auto parts store and what you order from Redline, you're getting almost 30% more protection just there. Now the race oils, they've got 2,200 parts per million in that ZDDP package. That's way more than you'd ever need or want to run on the street. Now what's the risk of that? Think about it. On the street, you've got emissions equipment, a catalytic converter. If you ever had any kind of breach of ring seal, or if the engine was starting to wear itself out, you could get oil past the rings. That oil might contaminate the catalytic converter. If that happened with 2,200 parts per million, there's a chance you could clog the cat. So what are the situations that you might choose one of our street oils versus a race oil? Well, the obvious one is if it's your daily driver. That's going to be a street car oil all day long. But what if you're a guy that takes your car to track days? You can still run Redline's PCMO oil. Again, 1,200 parts per million of zinc, so there's more than enough protection. Both the race oil and the street oil are made from PAO and ester, right? So you've got the highest quality raw materials to protect you not only on your daily drive, but also when you go to the track. Any of you racers that are only taking a car to the racetrack, well, you're more than eligible to be using our race oil, and that's in drag racing, road racing, circle track, even 4-cycle go-karts.
You feel the difference. Redline unlocks the true potential of your engine. Experience smoother operation, sharper acceleration, and a noticeable boost in power. Redline's superior lubrication reduces friction, leading to improved fuel efficiency. Get more miles out of every tank. Ready to unleash the power within your engine? Get Redline engine oil today. Click the link below to get yours on Amazon and experience the Redline difference for yourself.